Universal Studios Orlando and Hollywood have introduced their new Attractions Assistance Pass program, launching July 24th, 2023, and here's everything you need to know. All guests requesting an attraction queue accommodation must obtain an IBCCES individual accessibility card by registering on their website prior to their visit. This is what that process looks like. First, you're going to head over to www.accessibilitycard.org. Then you're going to scroll down and click Register Here and create an account. The first step is to fill out all of your contact information. Once you're on the next page, input information about the cardholder themselves, including the helpful accommodations, such as standing and queuing, sensitivity to crowds, enclosed spaces, etc., and attractions that you are planning to visit in the near future. Here, you will upload your supporting documentation as well as answer some questions such as, is the cardholder able to stand in line for more than 10 minutes? And is the cardholder able to stand in line with other guests? Finally, you will click Submit and your registration will be sent over to IBCCES for review. Once it is approved, someone from Universal will reach out to you within 48 hours to discuss your accommodations with you, although it could take longer depending on the season. You will provide Universal with no medical documentation, only accommodations information. If/when you are approved, it is good for a year, and then instead of having to be interviewed at guest services every 2 weeks, like how their old system was, you show guest services your IBCCES card to receive your AAP. This system is currently being used at Six Flags all across the country, SeaWorld, Sesame Place, Knoebels, as well as other parks. We recommend for those looking to use an Attractions Assistance Pass on their next trip to Universal Studios, if you require accommodations, getting started on this process as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps.